right now we are driving through Nerang Country Road, and it is literally a country road. Oh, there's a for sale sign over there.
What's this?
There is a, oh, it's just someone's house. They're named it something.
For sale there is. So this is a villa. We are taking you on tour to what $1 million can get you in Nerang, and this is over an acre of space.
Damn. Yeah.
So one thing to note is that I haven't seen any or many streetlights. I've seen lots of cables for the telephones and for the internet, which is fine, but there's literally no streetlights. So I'm wondering at night time, this place is going to be quite scary and dark. Maybe. Oh, there's little horses or little ponies or something cute over there.
There's a nice big one over there.
There's also a big one next.
You're just going for a walk. Just good days going for a walk.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's a really beautiful house. It's built in 1997. It's huge. It's got 2 formal areas. It's got a media room which has got like cinema in it, and it's got kitchen. It's got like a conservatory sunroom. It's very open and bright. It's got a really nice design upstairs. You've got 4 decent sized bedrooms with walk-in wardrobes in the master. You would love grapefruits. You just pick it out from here. It's amazing.
These are lime trees, right?
That's grapefruit.
Is that grapefruit?
Huge. There's the limes. Limes are down there. These are lime trees.
It's nice. The house is all the way over there.
It's a big house, isn't it? Big plot of land. It's huge. You get all of this for under $1 million Australian dollars. Wow.
Okay, one thing about this place.
What's that?
It's 20 minutes to everywhere. 20 minutes to Southport. 18 minutes to the kitchens.
Which is another mall.
Hello. And 20 minutes to Pacific Fair.
That's awesome. That's really good. I have to say, it's a huge house. Like, you get so much value for money here. You get like grapefruit trees, you get lime trees, you get pineapple trees, you've got a pool, you've got literally an acre and a bit. You got chickens, you give them eggs and chicken, obviously. So the property goes to, what's the line? Is it the fencing?
Yes, that's right.
This is actually bigger than we thought.
So yeah, no, so yeah, when you look at
Wow, that's like it's crazy life, man.
You can have fires here as well. You just have to not see them as pets.
No, they can make you eggs, isn't it? You don't have to kill them.
So it's huge. It is huge. I'm not sure what to think of it.
Oh.
It's huge.
oh yeah, great size. Yeah. So you can get 4 cars in there if someone needed that sort of space. Yeah.
We're off to view our next property in New Life Church.
Oh shit.
Damn. Yeah.
It's got a good walk in, isn't it?
Yeah, I love the foyer.
Oh, there's got stairs.
It's really nice, actually.
So as you can see, amazing void. Whoa, look at that view. Glass everywhere, windows, and what a lake.
Yeah, this is a nice view from the kitchen.
The fortress. Like your view. It's a beautiful view, isn't it?
Really nice,
yeah,
isn't
it's definitely a nice view.
It's
It's like Hyde Park, isn't it?
beautiful. My God, it's so serene. It's really nice. And they got little kayaks. They must go kayaking here.
It's nice that you can't see pylons.
Yeah.
Watch them stairs. Oh, you're going into a room. Look at that view. A lakeside view. Now, this is PIMP, sort of kind of information. Looking at that view, I'm even enjoying the bathtub, but outside again. Oh, nice little house. Big house. Just point and see, enjoy yourselves. And of course, it wouldn't be an Australian home without a bunch of chickens in there. You want to eat organic, just do it yourself. It's that rainwater tank. Just live your life. Enjoy yourself. The place just there. And that's my little friends. They're just chilling, isn't it? They see me rolling. It's beautiful. So that was an amazing tour of 2 amazing $1 million properties over here in the Gold Coast. You got Nerang, Acreage, and you got a waterfront. Which one do you prefer? Robina Waters or Nerang?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. So cute, man.